welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be using red prawns to try and catch salmon today. I've spotted a fish underneath the bridge, so I'm going to go and give that a go, and then I'll look elsewhere to see if there's any more fish. Let's see how we get on. So I started by making a few short casts to gauge the current, gradually making the casts longer and longer. After covering where the fish was lying with a few casts, I decided it was time to try underneath the bridge. When fishing the prawn in this method, you can move fish to further back in the pool, making them more susceptible to take. There we go. Nice fresh salmon, that. Trying to get me in a rock down there. Ooh. Doing a lot of head shaking. It's powering upstream. Absolute bar of silver. Strong fish these. Flying upstream. Some nasty rocks up that way, I don't want to get in them. Managed to get it out. Doing an awful lot of head shaking this one. Try and get down, try and land it. See, there's a nice bit of slack water, so if you can get them just to come and sit in this slack water, you've got a good chance of netting them. Looks like a little cockfish. Oh, oh, oh. That's a fish ours. Okay. Absolute bar of silver, sparkling.